Hello everyone. Now we are going to see grammar topic conjunction. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word that joins two words, phrases, clauses or sentences. A conjunction is called a joining word. For example, Tom and Nikki are writing letters. Here conjunction is and because it joins two words, Tom and Nikki. Example number 2. You can earn money unless you get a job. Here unless is a conjunction because here unless joins two clauses. First clause is you can earn money and second clause you get a job. Here two clauses are joined by conjunction unless. Now we are going to see about kinds of conjunctions. There are two kinds of conjunctions. One, coordinating conjunctions and two, subordinating conjunctions. Let's learn about coordinating conjunction. What is a coordinating conjunction? A conjunction which is placed between two words, two phrases or sentences which have equal rank. Coordinating conjunctions are whether or, either or, neither nor, nevertheless, as well as, both, or, nor, but, therefore, consequently, and, yet, still, otherwise, not only but also, etc. Second one is subordinating conjunction. What is a subordinating conjunction? A conjunction that joins a principal and a subordinate clause is called a subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunctions are that, since, until, how, where, why, when, if, though, after, because, although, unless, till, until, before, as, etc. Let's understand through examples. Example number 1. Neither a pen nor a pencil is cheap. Here, neither nor is a coordinating conjunction. Second, whether he or she has stolen my money. Here, whether or is a coordinating conjunction. Example number 3. She was both a cheat and a traitor. Here in this sentence, both and both are coordinating conjunctions. Example number 4. Sita as well as Ram has to go to the forest. Here as well as is a coordinating conjunction. Example number 5. She could pass the exam, nevertheless she worked hard. Here nevertheless is coordinating conjunction. Example number 6. He had done a crime, therefore he was imprisoned. Here, therefore is a coordinating conjunction. Let's understand some subordinating conjunctions through examples. Example number 1. He was playing until his parents came. Here, until is a subordinating conjunction. Example number 2. She knows well where he lives. Here, where is a subordinating conjunction. Example number 3. He dived so that he could catch the ball. Here, so that is a subordinating conjunction. Example number 4. Although he is rich, he is not a miser. Here, although is a subordinating conjunction. Example number 5. You look as if you were a teacher. Here, as if is a subordinating conjunction. Example number 6. I was late, so I could not meet him. Here, so is a subordinating conjunction. Now I would like to give some questions in exercise. Question number 1. Pick out conjunctions from the following sentences. 1. She waited till the guest arrived. 2. I do not know why he went. Example number 3. They tried but did not succeed. Example number 4. Unless you do the work, you will not be paid. Students, you have to solve given examples in your classwork. Thank you.